This is a very lengthy question, so this definitely has to be put it in round 3. But if I apply some tricks here, we can find the answer easily. We have numbers from I and j from 11 to 19 basically. So 11 we have, 12 we have, 13 we have, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. And I need to multiply I and j such that I is less than j. So basically what I need to do is 11 multiplied by 12, 11 multiplied by 13, 11 multiplied by 14 and so on and so forth. And then 12 multiplied by 13, 12 multiplied by 14 and so on and so forth, 13 multiplied by 14, 13 multiplied by 15 and so on and so forth. And we need to find the sum of all such values. Now if you see, if I convert these numbers in the multiple of 3, so this can be written as 3k plus 2, this can be written as 3k, this is 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, 3k and 3k plus 1. Now when 11 is multiplied with these numbers, what types of numbers you will get? This multiplied by this is always gives you a multiple of 3. So for a short time I'll eliminate these values because these values multiplied by any number will give you a multiple of 3 only. Similarly with this and this. Now we have to check for other numbers also. When 11 multiplied by 13, you will get a number which is a multiple of 3k plus 2. When multiply 11 and 14, you will get 4 into 4, 1, which will be 3k plus 1. This and this will give you 3k plus 2. This and this will give you again 3k plus 1. And this will give you again 3k plus 2. Similarly, if I start with 13, so 13 and 14 will give you plus 2, 3k plus 2. 13 and 16 will give you 3k plus 1. 13 and 17 will give you 3k plus 2. 13 and 19 will give you plus 1. Similarly, 14 with 16 will give you plus 2. And similarly, we can calculate for others. It will be plus 1, 2, then 2, 1 and 2. And when you add all these numbers, this plus this will give you a multiple of 3, this plus this will give you a multiple of 3, this plus this will give you a multiple of 3, this plus this will give you a multiple of 3, similarly this plus this and this plus this. And we have left with plus 2, that means plus 4, plus 2 which is 6, 3k plus 6 is nothing but again 3k. So one is definitely, I can say one thing, that the number has to be multiple of 3. And among the given options, only option B is a multiple of 3, hence this is my final answer.